How to delete suggested list or suggested people on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete Messenger suggested lists or suggestions. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. If you're tired or frustrated of the particular option that shows up suggestion on your Messenger, what you can do to turn it off is you can open up Messenger, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on settings with gear icon. Once on settings, you want to scroll down and you want to head into the option that is account center. Under account center, you'll find the option under account settings, the fourth option that says your information and permissions. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, what you can do is you'll find the option that says upload contacts, as you can see there. Tap on it and then select your Messenger account here. Then tap on upload contacts and make sure it's off. Once you turn it off, you want to head into manage contacts, and here you'll get the option to delete all contacts. Now this is to delete all the saved up contacts. So tap on delete all contacts on all your sessions will be deleted. So this is the way that you can delete the suggested on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.